Hello and selamat sejahtera to our lecturer today. My name is Bartimius Anak Tinggi. Today I will explain about milling process, and I have choose one of the machining process, which is a round mill rectangular pocket inside. So for this machining process, the cutting tool, we're gonna use the MEW end mill. For the description, we use 20 S20 10 3T, and for the flutes we set it into 3, and for the size of dimension of DC, I choose 20 millimeter, and for the LF and LH dimension, for the LF I use 110 millimeter, and for the LH I use 30 millimeter. So next we go into the part C. For the cutter material, we use carbide. For the cutting speed, we set the cutting speed into the 274 meter per minute, and for the end mill diameter, we set it into 20 millimeter, and for the machine max, it was the 6000, and for the flute we set into 3. For the spindle speed, the spindle speed is 4360 rpm. For the chip load, the chip load is 0.16 millimeter per flute. For the feed rate, the feed rate is 2093 millimeter per minute. For the time is 100 millimeter or 2093 millimeter per minute, and it was about 0.0475 minute. We can see at the part D the graphic illustration, the sketch process that I have do in 3D. We can see the milling start into the inside first, in the rectangular pocket. We can see we start the milling process at the rectangular pocket inside, and this is what I have drawn, I have sketched, you can see. So this is what my explanation for this milling process.